What's up, guys? I hope everybody having a great day. If you saw the thumbnail, if you saw the title, if you hit something with your lawnmower and now it won't start, if you hit a block, hit a piece of metal, something in your yard and now it won't start, I'm gonna show you what you gotta do to fix it, to get it back running. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? We're back. Like I was saying in the beginning, if you hit something with your lawnmower, bent the blade, or now your lawnmower won't start after hitting something very, very hard, like an object or a block or a rock or a piece of metal that was in the yard, and now your lawnmower won't start, I'm going to show you what's the problem and how to fix it. This part costs about sometime between 30 to 60 cents. To get your lawnmower back running. Right now we're just removing the cover to get the flywheel off. Right here you can see on top, that's where the keyway is broken off. They are no longer connected. One of them that has broken and has separated. So we're going to get the flywheel off, get that 60-some cent key replaced, get this lawnmower back running. That's, like I said, that bolt size, it was a 15/16. What you want to do, you want to just thread it down on it to flush, and you really only have to hit this thing about 1 or 2 times. I try to hit it 1 time, not to hit it too many times, because some of this stuff is very, very easy to damage. So you just kind of want to pay attention what you're doing. But as you see right now, I'm just blowing out the key way, getting that old key out to get the new one in. I'm putting it back on now, putting the flywheel back on. I'm getting the lines lined up. There go your key. Like I said, sometimes those keys can be 30 cents to 60 cents, cheap. I'm just sliding it back in there, getting everything lined up, and getting it back running. Put on the washer, putting the key on, hitting it, tighten it back up, putting the cover back on it. Now this lawnmower started, first pull, was ready to go. I was able to turn this lawnmower back over in a day to get it back to the client. She was very happy and was able to get her grass cut the next day. If you find any value in this video, consider liking, subscribing to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate you hit that like button to help the algorithm, to spread my content, to help my YouTube channel to continue to grow. Right now we're just tightening the bolts back up. These bolts was from 8mm to 5/16. Getting the cover put back on it now. It's a pretty simple job. Job took me about 20 minutes to do this, maybe. Someone who never done it, probably about 45 minutes, to an hour. But take your time. Just remember how you take everything apart and put everything back that way, and your lawnmower will start and run just as it did before. Till next time, peace.